10 something at night, and I have to come to the store to come get some milk because this one will not go to sleep without milk. And then you have rude ass assholes like this person right here that obviously don't give a shit that I have a child in my hand. Fucking asshole. Anyways, like I was saying, coincidentally it happened to be that I just did, you know, a tutorial for my day to night makeup, and Pee-wee's there the whole time watching me, right? Well, he's playing the game, he's not really watching me, but he sees me doing it. Then I go to look in the fridge so that I can don't mind me, I'm struggling putting him in the cart. So I finished doing my makeup for the tutorial, and then I look in the fridge to make his milk, and I realize that there's no milk. So now I have to go to the store. So I tell him I'm going to the store, and he goes, why did you wait so late? And I'm like, well, I just realized that there wasn't any milk. And now that I'm thinking about it, he probably over here thinking I'm going somewhere because I just did my makeup and now I'm leaving the house with a full face of makeup on at 10 something at night. I just thought about that. It's kind of funny because he definitely did like press me like, why the hell did you wait so late? I didn't actually, but yeah. So I'm here in Wegmans, which is like my second home. Sad but true. And I'm getting his special milk because he can't drink regular milk. He's got to drink soy milk, right? Because he's allergic to cow's milk. So we're here in Wegmans at almost 10:30 at night getting some milk. Literally, that's it. I have to focus. Do not buy anything else. That's why I'm keeping my hood up so that I have limited view of what these aisles have to offer. I really am tempted to go to the makeup aisle, but I'm not gonna do it. I told myself, milk, that's it. Milk, that's it. And I'm gonna use my nice little cool WIC card. So we got cards now. Let me show you guys how fancy we're getting. Tell me this little WIC card isn't cool. I'm not gonna let y'all stare at it for too long because I got my number and my info. But cashing out at Wegmans, 10:30 at night. And I always put the cart first before myself, and then I can't ever reach. So I usually don't like to bring my older kids with me to the store because they want everything that they've seen. Well, now Armani, my 1-year-old, is starting to do the same thing. Talking about juice. No, milk, and that's it. Milk, and that's it. And it's bad outside. We got a windstorm, and I'm over here buying milk at 10:30 at night. So my ass get for not looking in the fridge earlier. See, I told you. Oh, I almost lost the cart, guys. We almost lost the baby. He was almost lost with shit. Hi, Armani. I'm just kidding. He's looking at me like, what the hell? We're definitely losing the cart though. This is what we gotta go through in Rochester, New York. Okay. I'm sorry, baby. Okay, guys. I'm back in the car. My nose is like leaking. It's cold as shit. It's windy as hell. Y'all see I lost the cart. I had to go run for it. All I needed was for it to hit somebody's car, and then they walking outside as it happens, and then I'm standing there like, oh my God, I'm so sorry. So I wanted to prevent confrontation, so I had to go get the cart. And now I'm on my way back home so that I can give him his milk and try to put him to sleep, because you know it never fails. Every Sunday my kids give me the hardest time to go to sleep when they know damn well they have school, daycare, and I have work in the morning, and it's the beginning of a fresh week. So now here I go, starting my week all tired because I go to sleep late because I had to put my kids to sleep and they didn't want to go to sleep. But that's not the only reason. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm not even gonna say that it's all because of the kids, because I don't know what's going on with me lately and my insomnia, but I will lay down and close my eyes and maybe get like an hour sleep, and then like I'm awake. Like my eyes may not be open, but I'm awake. I hear everything that's going around. Like I can hear Pee-wee playing the game. I can hear the wind outside, or whatever the case may be, and my mind is running. I don't know if you guys know what I'm talking about, but it's just crazy. It's crazy and it sucks, and I wish there was something I could do about it. Maybe there is something I could do about it, but I'm not really like a pill popping person. I do take medication, however, for depression and anxiety. I haven't been taking it lately. I kind of need to. Y'all gonna see me out here venting and stuff over some dumb shit just because. But yeah, I don't know what's going on, but I'm gonna try to get some sleep. I'm gonna go upstairs, take this milk, make his bottle, take a shower, and wash this makeup off my face. I really don't want to because the bitch is popping. Now, why can't I go to sleep and wake up like this and ready for work? Because I bet you'll wake up with pimples. That's why. You guys have a good night.